Hey, welcome. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sign with text or just put text on really any kind of art object. So first I'm going to insert my part that and I'm just going to put this as a base just for a little bit fancy. Put it like mine like this and put it like this. Put that down. Okay. So this is the part that I'm going to be putting the text on. So part that is kind of important. So I'm going to start out by putting a surface UI onto this part that I want the text to be on, and I'm going to insert a text label under it. See, mine pops right up here at the front. Yours might or might not do that, depending on where your face is. You can switch through here, and you can switch the face that you want the text to show on, or the surface UI to be on. And you can play through here, and you can see which one you need, or you can just rotate your parts, like so. Click on it, rotate, or you can pick through these on the surface UI and the right one. So mine's going to be front. I'm going to go ahead and make my text label span the entire front of this face. So I'm going to set the scale to 1 and 1. And you can change the text size here to however you want, how big or big you want it. I'm just going to put rich text on for myself, put text scaled just because it shows a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change the text itself. If I can find text, here it is. I'm going to say welcome to the server, put whatever you want here really. It's just what mine's going to say. And to get rid of that ugly background, I'm going to just set this transparency here, the background transparency, to 1. And you can still change the part color to whatever you want, and it'll show up. But I am going to show you guys that you can also, it doesn't matter if this object is visible or not, the text will also still show up. So if you want just floating text around, if you ever wondered how they did that, it's just kind of like this. And wait, let me anchor this, and I'll play it, see how the text looks. Yeah, it's just floating around. Let me show you guys what it looks like. That actually transparent game, it'll look like this. Just know that yours doesn't have to be the same size as mine, and you can still change it. And if your text is on, or if your text label is set to scaled, then it'll scale with the size. Be sure it doesn't do that with just the set size. So if it's this size, it'll still wrap correctly, but it's not going to scale it the same size, if that makes sense. Well, thanks for seeing this, and make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.